Hey guys, this is David Roman. I'm the author of The Eternal Horizon, and welcome to my channel. This is my first art-related video. As some of you know, I also paint and draw in addition to writing books. And this is my first video. Did I just say that? Anyways, this is my first art-related video. And here I'm going to show you the easy ways to clean oil-based paint from your brushes. Because it's a pain in the ass, as you know it, and once you finish oil painting, the brushes you pretty much used are done. For me, they are completely done. I mean, I clean them no matter how many times, but they're never the same. I end up buying new ones. Now this I discovered by accident. I used to buy the expensive stuff from Hobby Lobby, from Michaels. The paintbrush this, paintbrush that, thinner this, thinner that. And it costs about $20 a piece. And then I used that pink soap crap. I used it to wash the brushes like 20 times over and over and over. Same brush, and it was never the same. And then I discovered this by accident. This is the cheapest and the quickest way. Are you ready for this? Here we go. Friggin' Dawn. Trust me, this is the best way to clean your brushes. Just watch. Just watch how I'm going to clean this entire brush. Look at this brush. Filled with oil paint, right? I just did this painting right now. I mean, I'm not done yet, but I did the whole purple outline around the girl. So I'm going to clean all this in one sweep. One swoop, one swoop, one fell swoop. Watch this. So we turn on the hot water. I mean, preferably hot water, right? You could use cold water. I use hot water, whatever. Just get the Dawn. Fill it up. Drown it in Dawn. Just pretty much drown it. And just play around with it. Look at this shit. Look at it all. It's all coming out. No way the pink soap will work like this. Trust me. I've done it so many times. Just once. Just one time. You could use it, you could use it more than once if you want it really clean, but even one time. Even one little time from with Dawn is so much better than using the pink soap crap or the rest of the shit they're trying to sell you. Look at this. Well, it's not really clean. It is clean. It's clean. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. No paint left. Okay, let me get a napkin. Let me get a napkin and show you. Let me get a napkin and show you what happens. Look. No purple residue at all. I mean, I ran this thing across 4 canvases just now. It was full of paint. No paint left. $2.30 a big loss. Did I get it? Whatever. You could. I think you can even get it at a dollar store. Little ones. Quit buying that expensive ass crap. Save some money and go clean your brushes the right kind of way. I'll see you guys later next week. I'll post videos all the time. Whatever. Peace out.